Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, follow us on Telegram so you get an update more on gold. Now, if you take a look at this on gold, if you can see the full trend, it is an uptrend move, you can see, right? But when you take a look at the current trend, which is on our 4-hour time frame, you clearly can see that we are ranging within this level. So with what I am saying right now, gold is still likely to drop again. One of the reasons why I said we would likely to drop is that when you go to your DXY, you can see that DXY is now starting to give us a bullish move. You can see it. So we'll be expecting some bullish move to the upside. If that should happen, then gold is likely to even break this support level, as you can see. Gold is likely to break it. But this week, let us see it drop to a level of 2481. We are likely to break below it. So our weekly target for gold for this week will be 2480. So once gold can tap a level of 2480, we are very much likely going to break this level. But for our first target is 2480. Then later I'll give you guys more updates on what gold will do next. So follow our Telegram channel to get that update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.